Hello and welcome back to Fan Screens. For today's video, we will be going to talk about the top 5 best laptop for programming of 2022. Let's get started. LG Gram 17-inch. The LG Gram 17 is a terrific option if you're searching for a large screen laptop for coding and is ready to make all your programming jobs a little bit easier and a lot more enjoyable to get through. The Gram is more focused on pure function with a stronger emphasis on productivity, in contrast to the Dell XPS 15, which is a powerful laptop that also offers some style. However, the Gram and the XPS 15 is comparable in terms of portability. The Gram 17-inch screen's 2560 by 1600 resolution makes it incredibly sharp, and its 16 by 10 aspect ratio gives it a generous amount of screen space that actually comes in handy for programming. Each key press on the keyboard provides satisfyingly powerful feedback, preventing typing from ever becoming a chore. The Gram is no slouch in the technical department either. It has an Intel i7 CPU that excels at multitasking and lets you manage several projects at once. The 16 gigabytes of RAM help the system resources, and the integrated Intel Iris graphics depict everything you see on screen. The Gram gives you a big 2TB SSD for internal storage, rounding out a potent machine that can handle any programming or web development work with ease. 2 Thunderbolts, 4 compatible USB Type-C ports, 2 USB Type-A ports, a full-size HDMI port, a micro SD card slot, and a 3.5mm headphone socket are available for communication, and the MacBook Pro's 21 hours of battery life are the only thing that outlasts the Gram's 19 hours. The 17-inch LD Gram is difficult to beat if you're searching for a huge screen laptop, primarily for Windows-based programming. You'll have a sizable workable screen, first-rate performance, and a long battery life. Dell XPS 15. The Dell XPS 15 is one of the greatest all-around laptop that can buy for programming, since it combines a beautiful design, superb build quality, and some of the most powerful mobile components you'll find in a laptop. The Dell XPS 15 improves one of the best laptop designs ever created to almost perfection, much like the new Dell XPS 13 did before it, with a smooth silver metal lid and angular 0.71-inch corners that contrast perfectly with a soft touch keyboard desk inside. Its small body is as stylish as ever. This laptop is a terrific option for coding, programming, and development. Its highly portable design and long battery life of up to 8 hours make it ideal for consulting or working from coffee shops. The high-definition 15.6-inch FHD plus display has a resolution of 1920 by 12 and a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, giving you extra display height so you can see more lines of code at once, making long coding sessions easier. You may speed up processes like sorting, searching, looping, building, or operating a virtual machine with the help of the Intel i7 processor. Naturally, the discrete NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti graphics card shares some of these responsibilities, and the XPS 15 is equipped with 16 gigabytes of RAM to keep everything stable and responsive. The XPS 15 has a 512 GB SSD because internal storage for files and codes library needs to be quick, a USB-C 3.1 port with DisplayPort, 2 Thunderbolts 3 ports, a 3.5mm headphone mic combo connector, and a full-size SD card reader are among the connectivity options available for adding accessories. The Dell XPS 15 is a great option if you've been seeking a laptop that's both powerful and portable for the coding task. Long coding sessions will be a little bit more comfortable thanks to the extra height on the display and its robust hardware components, which can handle just about any workload you throw at them. MacBook Pro 14-inch. The Apple MacBook Pro provides the robust hardware and performance you need to stay at the top of your game when it comes to programming. This high-end laptop is still among the most potent and cutting-edge devices available, and it has the durability to get the job done. The 14-inch Retina display is stunning, and the bezels around it have been shrunk for a cleaner appearance. It's crucial to retain a high level of precision when coding, and the silent and responsive Magic Keyboard does both. It operates quietly and has a full 1mm of travel. Apple's M1 chip and neural engine, which boosts performance more than ever by enhancing everything from overall processing speed and optimization to faster and smoother handling of demanding activities. Replace Intel chips in internal components. All programming activities you work on are quick and fluid, thanks to the M1 chip's partnership with a GPU that you can customize with up to 32 cores and 64 gigabytes of unified memory. Fast, direct access to apps and files is provided by an SSD with a capacity of up to 8 terabytes. You'll find 3 Thunderbolts, 4 ports, a DisplayPort Thunderbolt, a USB 3.1 port, an HDMI port, and an SDXC card slot to connect to other devices. And the Apple MacBook Pro breaks the trend when it comes to laptop sound with a 6-speaker sound system that creates stereo sound with the realistic sounding bass end. You won't ever need to be tied to a power outlet because the MacBook Pro exists the Dell XPS 15 in terms of battery life, lasting up to 17 hours on a single charge. The Apple MacBook Pro is a fantastic option if you're looking for a superb laptop for programming. When it comes to programming, web development, and other tasks, it is powerful, and capable of handling them. Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Extreme. With the Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Extreme, you may build a system that is ideal for programming, work with exceptional quality and configuration possibilities. The 15.6-inch 1920 by 1080 FHD IPS display in the X1 Extreme's base configuration combines an attractive appearance with reliable performance. Upgrading the display will get you a 15.6-inch 3840 by 2160 UHD IPS or OLED screen that supports HDR and Dolby Vision. The 2-level backlit keyboard's movement is generally silent, but it offers firm but snappy tactile feedback that feels pleasant and aids in preventing tiredness, which is crucial while writing and rewriting endless lines of code. A touchpad that allows precise, sleek control is located beneath the keyboard. The base configuration for internal hardware includes an Intel i7 processor, which may be upgraded to an i9 for maximum processing capabilities. In all setups, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti Max Q graphics card with 14 GB of onboard memory is used for graphics. Internal memory might be as small as 8 GB or as large as 64 GB. The X1 Extreme includes SSDs for file storage that has capacities ranging from 512 GB to 1 TB. The X1 Extreme has 2 USB 3.2 Type A ports, 2 Thunderbolt, 3 connectors, an HDMI port, an audio jack, and an SD card slot for connecting any devices you might require when writing. On a full charge, the battery should last between 12 and 15 hours. The Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Extreme is an excellent option if you're searching for a versatile, well-built laptop for programming work. The X1 Extreme is a well-made laptop with flexible configuration options that help you create the programming laptop that best meets your demands. Alternatively, you can select from a number of pre-configured systems that offer various performance levels. HP Spectre X360. For college students pursuing careers in programming and development, the HP Spectre X360 laptop is ideal. They require a computer that is capable of managing several different processes, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and others. Students wishing to create mobile apps will benefit from Spectre's 2-in-1 design. It includes an aluminum body and strong 180-degree hinges that let you convert between tablet and phone modes without any side-to-side movement, providing good long-term durability. The vibrant 13.5-inch WUXGA panel folds quickly to transform into an outstanding tablet with a touch screen. Using this, you may quickly demonstrate a prototype or get a sense of how your project operates in real time. The Spectre X360 also stands out thanks to its roomy touchpad and comfy backlit keyboard. The Spectre X360 is a quick coding-focused computer that can help you finish tasks more quickly while still enabling you to enjoy the process as you go. The Spectre X360's internal components include an Intel i5 or i7 processor with integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM, and an SSD with a maximum capacity of 2 terabytes. For anyone searching for a laptop that is suited for programming, the Spectre X360 is an obvious choice due to its level of power, particularly when combined with higher-end components. And there's even better news if you like working away from your desk, because the Spectre X360 has an incredible 12 hours of battery life. The Spectre X360 is outfitted with many connectivity choices, including 2 Thunderbolt ports, an HDMI 2.0 connector, a super speed USB Type-A port, a headphone microphone combo jack, and more to connect up your external storage, additional displays, or any other peripheral you might wish to utilize. The HP Spectre X360 is a terrific option if you're a programming student searching for a decent tool to work with. You'll benefit from strong hardware components, a versatile 2-in-1 design, and long battery life, so you won't need to be plugged in all the time. So which of the laptops amazes you the most? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to Fan Screens for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.